Hello everyone, please welcome back to my channel. Today is a Sunday and I just wanted to show that the things that come in the mail on a Sunday, and the first being my medicine. We will put it aside because it's got my address on it. And there are some food items that also came, so I would love to show it to you because this is a book channel, but I think I should talk about the book that I'm reading currently. And the book that I'm reading currently is Little Women by Louisa May Alcott. I completely and absolutely love this book so much, and I'm already in in page 356. I got some new bookmarks. I need to share those to you guys as well. I got Studio Ghibli bookmarks. This is from Howl's Moving Castle, Sophie and Calcifer. I really love it. I have only watched 2 of the Studio Ghibli movies, one being Howl's Moving Castle and another being which one did I watch? Oh, The Whisper of the Wind. Whisper of the Wind. I watched Whisper of the Wind and Howl's Moving Castle. So, anyways, Little Women is about 4 sisters and how they grew up with their parents and their relationship with their neighbors, and there lived a boy also similar to their age and what mischief they went through when they were teenagers and young kids. I am at those parts. Part 2 is probably about when they grew up, but I have not read it yet. But I have watched the film with Saoirse Ronan as Jo, but I love the movie, and Timothée Chalamet as Teddy. I loved the movie and I am loving the book as well. So now I won't feel bad talking about food. I got like 3 kinds of biscuits. Number 1 being the Parle Monaco one. I think I've had this when I was really young, and this week this week will be this is my birthday week and I'm really excited about it. I wanted to try all of the things that I used to have when I was really young, and when I used to live in this house. This year it's going to be my birthday year after 12 years, I think. 11 years. Oh my god, it doesn't feel real. I had my last birthday when I was about 12. So it's been 11 years almost. So I'm really excited to grow attached to nostalgia through food. So, and I do have some problem with having peanuts, but I really wanted to try these because I have tried this before. These are like paper boat chickpeas, which are like jaggery and peanuts. I do have problem eating peanuts, so I have to be responsible while eating these. And the number 2 biscuits are like Golmaal 50-50 something. Also, I had this when I was younger. And the last biscuit is Rusk, Parle Rusk, which is the premium rusk or something, elaichi one. I love to have this with coffee. I do have some coffee, but I'm not having it yet. And these also are going to give me trouble in my stomach because they have milk. So I have to be really responsible with how much I intake these, but anyways, I love these. And the only new thing that I am having is like the potato pop crisp from Unibic. The only new thing that I'm trying is the Unibic potato pop crisp cream and onion one. I thought I would try it because it is popped, not fried. It is supposed to be healthier than other potato chips. I love this one, but this is really spicy. And this is the millet pop crisp one, so it doesn't even contain potatoes. It has like millet. It does have potato. I did not know, but this has potato, but millet is the main ingredient of this. And the last item, not the last item, I love dark chocolate, if you did not know. So I had one Cadbury Bonfil Classic 50% dark chocolate, shiny. And the last item from Nostalgia is not very few years ago. I used to have these when I was staying at Kolkata with my mother while I was doing my undergraduate degree, and I used to have these when I used to come back home from university. I really miss those times because now I don't get to go to university because of I have been coughing throughout this video, and probably I'm going to edit those out, but I probably should not, so that people understand why I don't go out much. But sorry. So these are the Peppy tomato, this classic one, and today I have so those are all the food items that I wanted to show you guys, and I also have other things to show you guys, but I think I will do it in a separate video because this video is going to be very long if not. So I hope you all are doing good, and I hope to see you guys very soon, and goodbye. Stay happy and stay motivated. Goodbye.